increased security presence in Black River following chaos and looting. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Hurricane victims growing frustrated over scarcity of fuel in their area, and Jamaicans told to expect additional help as the country enters second week post-Melissa. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.